everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Now we're going out to go to our meal. It's like Mexican or Italian.
Italian restaurant.
Italian restaurant.
What happened at that restaurant?
That's our 4 years ago. That our venue in our wedding venue.
Yeah, well, that's where we had our reception.
Reception, not venue, sorry guys.
And this restaurant has a little bit of a history.
Yeah.
One of the owners was a really, really good friend of ours.
Yeah.
And Chef Tiziano, Italian.
Yeah. And the other
is
one.
Still there, and the other guy. That was our friend. He passed away a couple of years ago.
Yeah, a couple of years ago.
And it was a little sad moment, but we're going to go there tonight and have some dinner, and we're taking a ride up there, so get on the bike with us. We're going to go there now. Now they're barbecuing.
Yeah.
Last night we tried to get some barbecue here, but they were all closed.
But I think they're busy.
There's like 3-4 places here where they have decent barbecue.
But the best barbecue here is the other side, that one. If you see on the left side.
Yeah. These guys here is where we go most of the time.
The best barbecue ever. Smell good.
But with my gout in my foot,
Yeah, what happened?
I need to reduce the intake of meat. So
Yeah, don't eat meat.
can't eat too much
Don't
meat.
eat red meat.
All right, here we go. This is Amoremio. The restaurant is located up on Friendship.
Yeah, it's located on Friendship.
What's the road called? Don Jucico, right?
Yeah.
So we are going there now, and it takes you or us to a ride through passing by the walking street, and then up towards what we call the Korean town. This place always has a lot of traffic all the time. People running red lights, they're crazy here.
People are crazy driving motorcycle.
Yeah, they need to improve raise the bar on the, training before they get their license. Because here they get their license simply by paying a few pesos. Has nothing to do with training.
gotta be careful. Yeah, this street here is adjacent to Walking Street. On our left side, next block over is the Walking Street.
Left side is a walking street.
Yeah, and then after this, Walking Street goes into what they call Friendship Avenue. That leads into Don Jucico, Jucico or something like that. And a couple of kilometers up the road here, maybe a mile or so, is the restaurant we're going to. All right, let's move, boys. Rescue Patrol. Alright, now it should be a quick ride up there. Here to our left we have ABC Hotel, one of the more prestigious hotels. They have a beautiful pool bar up top on the roof. It's a pretty nice place. We've been there a couple of times, invited by friends. We're not too far away. 1 minute, we should be up there. Having light on bicycles is not a requirement here either, apparently. Because you're about to hit people all the time.
Yeah.
Because they don't have lights. Alright, so we're here. Alright. So, what is the new name of Amoremio? Huh?
Taberna, Italian restaurant.
Taberna. Okay. Yeah, when our friend Aldo passed away, his partner changed the name and did a few things, and it is doing pretty good.